Hello everyone, I am Nishakar Kumar from section 20. My roll number is 20IE10019. In this video, I am going to present about my DIY assignment 3. In this assignment, I have decided to disassemble a simple calculator and give you a brief idea about how a calculator works. So you can see that this calculator is in its perfect working condition. As I press the keys, the numbers are being displayed on the LCD. To understand this mechanism, we have to disassemble this calculator and have a look at the components that make up a calculator. So now we have successfully disassembled this calculator. The components that are clearly visible are the circuit board, the processing chip or the integrated circuit, the LCD, a negative terminal wire, a positive terminal wire connected to a solar panel. A calculator's working can be segregated into three mechanisms, that is the input, processing and the output. The input mechanism is what allows the users to instruct the calculator about the calculations they intend. What happens in this input mechanism is that the user presses the keys, the key is touches the circuit board, the circuit gets completed and the current passes through this key, making the calculator understand about the instructions that was associated with the key that was just pressed. So now we can come to the second mechanism, and that is the processing mechanism. What happens in this mechanism is that the instructions that were received from the user is now transferred to this processing chip. The processing chip is what converts the input instructions to a final output. And it is all done by the single unit, that is the processing chip, and also called as the integrated circuit. So now we have come to the third mechanism, and that is the output mechanism. So the data generated in this integrated circuit is now displayed on the LCD, and that is the complete output mechanism. All these mechanisms are performed by different components, and all these components are interconnected through this circuit board. So there is no doubt that this circuit board is the backbone of this calculator, and without it, it is not going to work. Now we are finally going to reassemble this calculator and check if it's still working or not. So we have successfully reassembled this calculator and it is still in its perfectly working condition. Thank you.